and good morning to the vlog. So today I thought I'd do a college vlog. So yeah, come with me on my day at college. We've got a 3-hour break, so yeah, we'll probably end up going somewhere cool and getting some instas. Yeah, I thought I'd just give you a little house update whilst I'm early this morning. So yeah, they've like kind of finished it all that outside. Looks sick. And they're painting on the inside. I can't really show you inside. So we just arrived at the station. Let's go and catch this train. Okay, so we're in college now. Been in all morning. We're just going to go and scout some locations at the moment for our parkour video, which should be awesome. So yeah, this is the drone guy from the inspiration video. Killer job, and the Instagram photos. Yeah, taking a bit of a detour. Okay, so we've arrived at our first location. So like, check it out, and yeah, it's pretty cool. You can get some awesome drone shots up here. This bit here is pretty cool too. Might fly the drone through now. Oh. Well, this pigeon doesn't do that, otherwise you might end up crashing it again.
Ready. All over that. Did not see that.
There's a step there, by the way.
Go to a gym, get a massive crash mat, and you literally just jump off that for your parkour.
Why don't you do it?
Maybe I'll test on you.
Yeah.
Wait for the man.
Okay, I just finished up at that location. Isaac got me some good Instagram pictures yet again. So yeah, we're heading on to, I don't know where we're going to now, but you know.
Back to college.
No, we're not going back to college.
Parkour spots.
Parkour. Okay, so there's a really dodgy car park at the moment. We just passed two homeless people. Like, I think they're doing drugs on the staircase.
Yeah, that's pretty much.
And they asked us not to come down that way. So we are
not coming down that
swiftly heading off this way. It's proper dodgy. Yeah, you took that so casually. You were like it was nothing when you walked up there.
It was like, oh yeah, good. That was like, yeah, mate. I thought he was actually coming out to beat Robbie, because Robbie goes, oh, that stank, as the door was shut. So I thought he was just gonna go, oh, stinks then. I was just like.
Okay, so we're still recovering from our homeless drug deal at the moment. It's pretty scary, wasn't it? Yeah, it was.
As you can see, we're missing one guy.
Heading back to college.
You need to get in front.
3-hour break. All our pre-production. On the way home now. So we get a train. And I'm now back from college. I was about to give you guys like a little update on the house, but I can't really because it's all locked up. I don't know if it's not or not. No, everything's locked up. I can give you like a little sneak peek through this window. So basically all the plastering is pretty much done. We've started painting it ourselves, and then we're gonna get like the actual decorators to come in after we finished and like clear up our mess pretty much. Today they've just laid the floor and that looks absolutely dope. Let me show you guys. Also the stairs arrived yesterday, so they're going in at the weekend, which should be good. Okay, so since I'm not able to actually get into the house at the moment, because I can't bother to go back in and get the keys, that's why I can't get in. I'll expand on what happened today at the car park. So yeah, because we're doing this, lots of filming at the moment, we were like scouting locations, we're doing this parkour kind of video, but yeah, we were walking up to the top of the car park, got to the top like flight, and turned out there was just these like two homeless people doing drugs, and they asked us not to come down that way. Yeah, I was pretty worried I was going to get like jumped and then my camera getting nicked, but luckily we didn't. So yeah, from now, it's 100% commitment with this channel, because at the moment I'm a bit like half committed, and full commitment, at least one video every week, maybe even 2, because I need to be fully committed, not like all or nothing kind of thing. So I'm kind of getting sick of like getting stuck at like 170 subscribers when really I need to make more effort, and that's my fault. So yeah, with that I'm going to end the video, guys. Ooh, let me put my drone down. With that I'm going to end the video, guys. If you did enjoy, please drop me a sub. This video isn't really my normal kind of video because I kind of did a poor job of vlogging, so we'll be back on this with my next vlog, I promise you. So yeah. Okay, so to finish the video off, I'm going to give you guys like a montage, kind of drone shots of the new house. And yeah, a bit of the sunset, but I kind of missed it. So yeah, here's some drone footage from the drone.
On my own, but I don't know why. You hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't